I found 10 Amazon products to launch in under 24 hours with this one tool. I'll be showing you it in today's video. Okay, so the tool is called Blackbox. It's made by Helium 10. Helium 10 has like a free trial. So if you go to helium10.com, you can check it out for free and test it out. There's also a link in the description. But here's the 10 products. I actually found 13, so a little bit more than 10. But I just want to go through it. What I did is I went to this Blackbox tool, and it's one of the easiest Amazon product research tools that I've ever personally used. Usually they're like not as good and it's not as easy to find products, but this one's legit. So if I wanted to find things in tool, I like sports and outdoors, so I'm just going to pick that one. And you put the category. You can even put the subcategory if you want, so you can go deeper. And I could just be like, oh, I want only hunting and fishing products, right? So you can go very, very specific. I'm going to go broad for this video just to show you. That needs some improvement, where the competition's medium. And let's say I want to sell the product for 30 to 100 bucks, and they're making at least $10,000 a month. So what it's going to show me is products that have bad reviews, but they're still making a lot of money, aka there's not that much competitors and there's a lot of room for improvement. So you could come in easily, make a lot of better items, right? And the first one I see is this beach tent. So I'm going to open this up. So we got this beach tent. I'm also going to open up one more, and this is a really good one right here. Okay, so first, and it literally just shows me this. There's also a trampoline. It shows you this, the reviews. But check this out. Okay, this one's making $33,000 a month. And it's literally like a little tetherball thing that I would have never thought of unless I used this tool. It's got 2.9 stars. And people are still buying it because there's not that many competitors, right? And look at the first review. The first review says it's total junk, but people are still buying it. So if you came in and made something that wasn't total junk, but it was a tetherball set, I mean, the opportunity is endless. All you have to do is have a 4-star rating. Their product must actually suck, but there's no competitors, so people are still buying it. So it's just crazy to see something like this. But again, another good product. Here's another one that we've just found, making $23,000 a month. It's just a beach tent, right? Nothing crazy. It doesn't have 3.8 stars, not as bad as the tetherball. But again, if we look at the reviews, not for windy days. So if you're able to solve some of these issues, where if it is windy, if it could still stay up, again, a great opportunity. And you can see the huge spike in sales right now. And it's only going to go up from here. And then here's another product. Again, using Blackbox, I've just picked random categories and then just randomly went through them. And another one that I found was a giant beanbag chair. Again, 2.9 stars, but they're making 17. People are still buying it even though they know it's crap because they want it, right? So again, if you just made something that wasn't crappy, you could again, not to purchase this product. Customers, please don't buy your product. It's advertising as if it comes full. It's ridiculous. Waste of money. It'll take an additional $400 to fill it up. What, did it not come with the filling? Oh, that's terrible. Oh man, it's so messed up. Does it not come with? Yeah. This is so again, a huge opportunity here. It looks like they're lying to customers. So at some point they're gonna run out. But again, they're still making money. Okay, so this is a post-recovery. It looks like if you got surgery or something with your chin or your face, neck. And they only have two pictures. Their first picture is really good. I'm gonna give it to them, but they only have 2 pictures. Their title's not optimized, but they're still making $14,000 a month, 3.6 stars. Again, another huge opportunity if you wanted to do. Look at these interesting masks. Okay, so this is for medical reasons, so it's okay. A language translator. So if you wanted to get into something very unique and you implemented AI or Gemini or ChatGPT into a device like this, again, this could be a killer device. Some people don't want to use their cell phone when they're traveling, so they want to use a device like this. The issue with this device, well, they're making $70,000 a month. Again, another product that you could potentially launch that needs a lot of improvement. The issue is the product barely doesn't work very well, right? You can check the reviews. So if you had something that was a little bit faster, and you can also sign them up for a monthly subscription, huge opportunity. And that leads me to another tech device. This one's making $13,000 a month. It's literally just an SOS button. So I'm sure we've seen commercials like this. It's like Life Alert, I believe is the name. But you fall, click a button, and then it notifies somebody. I'm trying to see. Oh, so it connects to their Wi-Fi. So you set up for your grandmom, grandpop, connects to their Wi-Fi. They click a button, it notifies you. Pretty good. Huge ripoff at $68.99, making $13,000 a month. But I know for a fact during the holiday season, the sales of this probably goes crazy. And they've got all these different things. They could also implement a subscription model. An adjustable footrest is making $12,000 a month. A micro stitch tagging gun. Again, super unique. The more unique and niche the product is, the higher potential. It's got 3.6 stars because it's the quality sucks, but they're selling it for 40. They're selling this little plastic thing for $40. I mean, come on, and they're making 14,000, so there's obviously a demand. This is like such an easy product, I feel like, to like market and sell. So again, look at the reviews and figure out what you can do to make it better. Somebody said they bought two, but they can't use either. A manual sewing machine. So you can sew manually. I don't even know how the heck this works. Why would anybody want to do this? But they're still making $10,000. Live animal traps, $14,000. Again, there you go. It looks like they put a dog in. I guess that's not a dog. Square. So hares, squirrels. Oh my gosh, they're selling it for $99. This is insane. So again, huge price, $14,000 a month. We just talked about this one. Another live cage. This one's just for bunnies. A portable tent. So it's like a pop-up sports tent. I think this is kind of funny. But during the rainy season, this would be awesome. If it started raining and you're the only ones out there enjoying it, that's pretty awesome. So it just pops up instantly. And mosquitoes, things like that. Pretty cool. And they're making bank, $45,000 a month. So again, $89.99. They're making a sweet amount of profit. Okay, so get this. Again, I found this on Blackbox, right? It only has 3 pictures. I guess horses use it to do tug of war. So it's like a tug of war item. And they're selling it for $42. I know for a fact this costs like $5 to make. Selling it for $42, making $21,000 a month, and they only have 3.6 stars. So I don't know if it's like bad quality or what's going on here. It's a weird number, $42.74. Again, it's not optimized at all. So I mean, if you know horses, this could be potentially a great item. Last but not least is a cat food dispenser. So I've heard of the cat automatic litter boxes, but not food dispensers. So again, another item. So Blackbox is the way to go. I'm just trying to show you some crazy items that I found, completely different categories, completely different areas, but how easy it was to find these products using Blackbox. And again, there's so many more, and I'm just happy Helium 10 offers these kinds of things. And offers a free trial, so you can try it out before you buy. And again, discount code in the description if you want. If not, hey, up to you. But that's it for today's video. If you could find any product to launch, what niche would you choose? Talk about it in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, finding a product to launch, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our Amazon account management service. This is where we'll help you find products, contact the manufacturers, do the designs, the listings, we'll manage your customer service, advertising, and of course, help you increase your sales. The benefit of this service is you don't have to spend time utilizing these tools, learning these tools, talking to manufacturers. We'll do all the hard work for you so you can focus on actually building a brand. That's going to help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.